Hello dear students of class 4. Today we are going to begin a new chapter, that is chapter 6. For that you can refer to page number 51. Topic for the day is plants in the surroundings and environment. In the previous chapter we have learned about the adaptation in plants. So you came to know many facts about the plants regarding the adaptation and where they are found, how they survive in that habitat. And related to this chapter also is related with the plant itself. So you already know that plants are grown or seen or found in everywhere on the earth, right? And you know the importance of plant. Without plants, life is not possible, or you cannot sustain any life on this earth. So, plant provides us food. It gives us air to breathe, as well as regarding to the shelter, and also with the clothing. Okay, so many things, so many products that we get from plants. So today we are going to learn about the parts of plants, which you have already done in your class, in your previous class, that is in class 3. You have already learned about the parts of plants. Let us recall whatever you have learned, and whatever we learned, the different parts of the plants and its function. Let us begin now. First, starting with the roots. Root is also one of the part of the plant, and the main function of the root is to keep the plant fixed in one place, and it supplies minerals through the stem to the various part of plant. The second part of the plant is stem. Stem is also very important, as it supplies mineral and water to the leaves, and later on when leaves prepare the food, it is supplied to the various part of the plants. So the other part of the plant is leaf. It is very important, as it is known as the kitchen of the plant, because as you have seen, all the leaves are in green in color, and if you say it is a green in color, surely it has contained, or it is the color of the leaves, that is green, is due to chlorophyll. If there is chlorophyll, there is a chance of photosynthesis. For the process of photosynthesis, what are required? Mineral. It is sunlight, water, mineral, air are required to prepare the food. And whatever is prepared, the food is prepared here in the leaf. And later on it is supplied to the different parts of the plant. Okay? So, and the other part of the plant is flower. Flower, it helps the plant to reproduce. And later, in maximum cases, we can see that flower changes into fruit. And the other part of the plant is fruit. The function of the fruit is that, as we already know, that flower changes into fruit, and fruit it encloses seeds. So these are the main part of the plants. Along with, we have discussed about the functions of the various part of the plants. But along with that, whatever below the ground, when we talk about the parts of plants, the parts of plant that is not visible, or that is below the ground, are known to be as roots system. Okay, and the parts of the plant, what you can see, what you can touch, or whatever that is visible is known as shoot system. And And mainly for the root system, it consists of roots only. And when we talk of the shoot system, these are the main parts of the parts of the plants that comes under the category of shoot system, especially stem, leaf, flower, fruit, buds. Okay, this comes under the shoot system. So today we are just going to discuss mainly about the roots system. And there is not much about the root system, but also it's very important, as root system consists mainly of the roots. And already you know the function of root, right? It keeps the plant fixed in one place, and it supplies the nutrition to the plants. Through the help of the root, nutrition is supplied to the plants. So this is the main function. And seeing the categories, okay, the types of roots, there are mainly two types of roots under the root system. The first one is taproot, the other one is fibrous root. Okay, taproot, you can make out by saying a taproot. Taproot, in case of taproot, there are long and strong roots, okay, or the root that grow deep down, that grows down in the deep down in the soil and produces several other small roots from it. Okay, this is known to be as taproot. The main example of taproot are, we have seen beans, mustard, okay, mustards, and some of the radish, carrots. There, in this type of plant, we can say vegetables also. We usually see we can see the root is a taproot. For this example, I have brought some of the plants that are found in a locality, but I don't know the exact name of this. See, this is also one of the plant that consists of taproot. Because why it is taproot? Because the stems are going deep down in the soil, and from the main root is here, and the other several roots are coming out from the main root. So this is one of the plant that I found in a locality. Okay, and I think you are very familiar with this plant. Okay, but I think it comes under the category of fern, only in the family of fern. Yeah, this is how this root in the case of taproot, the root is very strong and it is long and it grows deep down directly down deep in the soil, and from there from there the other roots starts developing. It develops several smaller roots from the main root. So this type of root are known to be known as taproot. Examples we have already given, that is radish, in case of radish, carrot, and even the beans and mustard are some of the examples of the taproot. And taproot are especially found in those plants. Okay, and taproot system are found in the plants, especially with the dicot. It is especially in dicot plants. Okay, taproot system are found in the dicot plant. And let us move on to the fibrous root. Fibrous root, it consists of several root which grows in a different direction, especially from the base. For that I brought the examples here. This is one of the plants that I found. See here, several roots are grown from the base. Okay, there's a vast difference between the taproot and fibrous root. See the cases. In the taproot and fibrous root, there is a vast difference. In the case of taproot, it has got a long and strong root which grows deeper, and from there the other root, a smaller root grows. And in case of in the fibrous root, several roots are grown in a different direction from the base of the plant. Okay, here there is a difference in the case of fibrous. You can see here. Here the roots are grown right from the base from the plant. There is a vast difference in the taproot and the fibrous root. You can see here. I brought the other plant also. See some of the plant that you can use for decoration. Okay, you can see several roots are grown from the base of the plant itself. See here, this also. I think this you have seen in the locality in your places. Okay, already you can see from the base itself. You can see from the base itself, several roots are grown. This type of root system is known as fibrous root. And for the example for the fibrous root we have seen onion. Yes, onion also has a fibrous root. And then just now I talked about the grass, even the maize, rice. They have what type of root system? Fibrous root system. And fibrous root system are found in the monocot, especially in the monocot plants. So today we have learned about the root system, okay, which have got a difference between the fibrous or taproot and fibrous root, which we have learned. And this type of root system are mainly found in the dicot plant, and this kind of root system are mainly found in the monocot plant. Okay, so today we have discussed about the root system of a plant. So next class we are going to deal with the shoot system of the plant, the various parts of the shoot system, various parts of the plant, and their functions. So till then, what I suggest is refer to page number 51, go through it. I think you will be able to understand, and keep reading, explore more books, and do take care. Thank you.